Alright, welcome back everybody. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So today, my video with the E46. About to switch out this mirror. It's freaking messed up. Show you what I go on. You see right here, previous owner broke the mirror and then tried to fix it. See, they put this screw or whatever in there, so the mirror is just terrible. So right now, I'm gonna do what I gotta do and switch out this mirror. You guys are gonna follow me on the journey of sorting out this mirror. So let me go get my tools and get ready, because I got a new mirror, and meanwhile I'm gonna switch the mirror caps as well to some carbon fiber ones while I'm at it. So yeah, stay tuned. This mirror broke. This mirror has no cap, so it's easier to just buy the carbon fiber ones and just put them on after I'm gonna deal with that. Alright, so zoom in, zoom out. So now the other new driver's side mirror, person had a red car, you can see, but I'm gonna take off the cap there, so I'm gonna have a carbon fiber one to match up. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. 2 bolts on the mirror, and then there's a hole for a screw right here, so another one on the arm, and I think there's one more here. Yeah, one more right here. Then there's one in here, and there's also one in the door right here. So let's get started. Sure, look how this long. Focus now. Alright, put this down. That's one after all of my screwing. Alright, so got the door panel off. This is where the mirror plugs in. Typical BMW connector. Press it, pull it. Mirror's out. This piece got to come off now, which you say the nuts and bolts are behind. Let me put the camera down, because that's going to take at least 2 hands to take care of this. Get you guys at a good angle. Putting this off safely, not breaking it. Pull this off easy without breaking it. Enough now. See if I got the right tools to do the job. That one is too small. See if this one will catch it. It's not catching it. This one looks like it's too big. Yep. We might have to go to the other car and get the ratchet set, because I didn't anticipate to do this. Let's see if we can try this method and get through. See if we can get lucky on this work. It's too big, yo. Nah, work. I forgot for the ratchet. I'll be back. Alright, so got my ratchet, 10mm socket, ready for go. Put it down and you guys can watch me work. But then again, you guys should know how to do this. But for those of you that don't, over no have you, better tighten it, you know. Right it tight, left it loose. grommet. Yeah. Let me just get rid of this, push this through. So let's get this out of the way. Say goodbye to this pop down thing. Some people don't know how to take care of them things, and you break it. I find it much easier to just get a whole brand new one and get it fixed instead of try to do a little piece of shit job. Because look, the screw don't even work. You lose the function of the folding mirror trying to fix this side. Come on, go upon eBay, go upon Microsoft, Facebook. Simply just go on eBay, go on Amazon, or go on freaking Facebook Marketplace. Somebody can get you one of these at a deal. Cause I got the new one. Yo, $40. Put this trash out away. Now put in the work and put in the new one. Yeah, I'm saying the mirror cap is not the same color, but yo, at least we have a nice new mirror. I should, you see how it's all faded. I think I'm gonna do a video how to restore it, or probably just spray it over, who knows. But as of right now, we have a new mirror and we need to get this thing on and popping. So here we go. It's a little tricky to get it in, but we are gonna get it in. Alright, let me show you why I'm having a little trouble. If you look on this side right here, it's not a straight to hole, so that's why giving me a little issue. But take your time and finagle it through, and you will get there. See there? One shot. Just wiggle through, and it's in. Bob, now just feed the wire in. Feed the grommet through as well. Squeaky ass door, but so I said. Grommet come through easy. Put it back where it belong. Take the mirror now. Put in back the screws or the nuts, however you want, be grammatically correct. Pretty easy job, most of these little DIYs that you can do yourself makes sense to do, Go pay a next man to do something you can do that's, unless you don't have the time to do it, you understand? But I don't mind making a little video, putting it on there, showing next man what to do. Alright, so that's pretty much how you change the mirror. That's button up. Just need to put on back the door panel. You guys probably can figure out that easy. I should have tested this before I button it up, but it's working. New mirror on. Now we can fold again. So let me just hold this right. Well, doing what it's supposed to be doing. Nice. Alright. Yeah, so that's the end of that video. New mirror on. Car ready for roll again. So yo, stay tuned for more videos and more all that great stuff. So yo, thanks again. Like, share, subscribe. Bodies Media, check me on the Instagram. Keep up with the guy, you understand? So out.